Find the square root of 36 divided by 81. Solution. Now, to find the square root of this, we know that we have, at the numerator, we have 36. And at denominator, we have 81. So in that case, if we use our rules of divisibility, we have 36, that's for numerator first. And if we divide this, what are we going to use? This is 2. This one is what? We have 18. This is 2. What do we have? Divide by 2, we have 9. What number can we use? 3. We have 3. Then we use number, which is 3. Divided by 3, 1. This is for numerator. For the denominator, we have what? 81. For the denominator, 81, what do we have? We can use 3. 81 divided by 3, what do we have? We have 27. Divide by 3 again, what do we have? If you divide by 3, what do we have again? That's 9. Divide by 3, what do we have? That's 3. Divide by 3, what do we have? We have 1. So we need this, and we also need this. So now, we now have square root of 36 over 81. Don't forget plus or minus. It's going to be plus or minus square root of what? Having numerator and denominator. So now, pairing 2, it can be written as 2 raised to power 2 direct. Pairing 3 times 3 raised to power 2. And this denominator, 3 raised to power what? 2. And we also have 3 raised to power 2. So in that case, it means that we have plus or minus square root of 2 squared, 2, times, what do we have? Square root of 3 squared, 3. Then, square root of 3 squared at denominator, 3. Square root of this 3 squared, what do we have? 3 also. We can simplify. Can you see? 3 here 1, 3 here 1. Now, what do we have? It means that this is plus or minus 2 times 1, 2. And 3 times 1, what do we have? 3. So it means that the square root of 36 over 81 equals to 2 over 3 and minus 2 divided by 3. That is the solution to the problem.